life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Okay, Kanchan ma'am, so I have some question for you. And what is your feedback? How was your journey of global spoken English? Because she has received certificate and this prize and too much respect from these students of global spoken English. So let us know that what do you want to say.
First of all, good afternoon everyone. My name is Kanchan Bhardwaj and I belong to Paharpur. Today I am very happy to get this certificate and gifts. Today I feel very happy and I would like to thank my director Sir Ghulam sir and Nabi ma'am also. They support me, they always support me, they always suggest me. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving this certificate.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।